Hello everyone, my name is Vineet. I joined as a designer at Dietos when Dietos was 7 months old. Yeah, in my experience in Dietos is a roller coaster ride. Um, yeah, everyone will be having these memories, right? Which we cannot forget at any time being. Yeah, because those memories are not because those memories are really because those moments are really like challenging, adventurous, and really fun, thrilling, etc. Yeah, I have a lot of such memories in Dietos, especially in those apartments because we had lot of fun there, and work was really challenging. And I want to tell one moment which changed my life. I think yeah, actually, I was 6 months. I had 6 months of experience in Dietos. We got the opportunity. We got the job project from L&T. So what happened? The client asked said to send the designer to their client location to their location. So Mono asked me to go to Chennai. I denied him. I denied that. Actually, I said no, I won't go. But because I was scared. Actually, it's a huge company. I was a fresher. I had lot of. I was scared actually. So Monu and Venkat just said one thing, said one line which really impacted me. That is you just go and learn and experience the client location, working client location. Worst case, what will happen? We may lose the project. You don't worry about that. We will be happy that you got the good experience working in a client location. You will be evolved compared to what I am being right now. So that line really made an impact on me. So yeah, I decided to go to Chennai. I spent 1 month there in the client location. Yeah, finally, yeah, that was the most amazing experience in my life. Actually, yeah, I had learned a lot. Actually, not in design perspective, like other things actually. How to speak in a meeting, how to show the presentation, speaking with the client, etc. And at last, only few people in this world will get the opportunity to work with the company from its early days till it's grown very large in large. So I'm very lucky to be among one of those people to see a tremendous growth of a company. And thank you for that. It was for giving me opportunity. And yes, this growth is happening. It does not happen like it's happening just because of everyone, like every dietitian's hard work, late night work, sleepless nights. Yeah, I believe actually there are many such moments which pushed out of my comfort zone. Yeah, later now I think yeah those moments in those moments I learned a lot actually. Yeah, this is my uh, words on Daitos. So again, happy third anniversary of Daitos, everyone. Stay safe.